my family, my children use this word for me, that mom is frugal, because I
That
will
is good.
count, yeah, 10 times before I zero in on any product, especially for me, if I have to buy something for me, especially in that very particular
Oh,
case.
for yourself, you're frugal.
Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe,
that is only
maybe
good
because I'm
actually.
a
Yeah.
mom, and for mom children, they uh, get the priority somehow. It's a mom kind of
Yeah,
thing.
generally moms are frugal. My mom
Yeah,
also frugal for
generally
herself.
moms are frugal. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the moral actually. This good evening, Aparna.
Good
I'm so
evening.
delighted to see you, and I'm so excited that again we are going to discuss about some specific vocabulary words. And as we had already decided that this time we are going to discuss about the vocabulary associated with the shopping. So again, it is my request to the viewers that if they find any mistake or error the moment we are giving the explanation, they may correct us.
Yeah.
So, Aparna, you begin with your words.
Yeah,
You
sure,
take the
ma'am.
lead.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So good evening, ma'am, and good evening all the viewers as well. And my first word is window shopping. Okay. Window shopping means the activity of going to the shops, going to the store or site just to see, just to look at the goods, but not rather than buying anything. Okay. So actually they are not buying anything, just looking at the goods. So that is called window shopping. So the example that I have is 98% of the site's traffic is just window shopping rather than the actual shopping. You know,
Mm.
so that is my that is all about window shopping. Should I just complete all my words, or
No,
you will?
I will take another now. I will talk
Yeah.
about some my word, my
Okay.
kind of word, right?
Uh,
So, sorry, it was your was window shopping. Now it is mine is shop around. Okay,
mm,
shop around. So
yeah.
shop around is when you go to buy something. You for the similar kind of product, you visit different stores or different shops and to know about the price so that you may finally zero in on the one where you find the good bargain.
Good bargain.
Right? You got it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is shop around. So it is a good habit. Like if somebody is in a habit of shopping around
Shopping
before
around.
finalizing any product.
Right. To
Yeah.
see all the all the prices that are available in the market.
Yeah.
Right.
Like suppose if you want to buy a suit for you, you have decided to buy a
Hmm.
suit. So before you finalize that suit on a particular shop, it's going to the other shops also for the similar kind of product.
For the similar
And
kind of product.
wherever you find the good bargain, the
Hmm.
lowest price for the same product. So buying that thing from there, that is the exact meaning of shopping around.
Got
Are
it.
you in the habit of shopping around, Aparna?
Not at all, not at all. I
This
can't
is
actually spend a lot of time and just shop around and
precious.
not buying. Yeah, I am a person who finalize it at that very moment when I just reach
In
the
the
shop,
first,
Yeah, and in the first go. I just don't want to spend means more time in that. That's why I prefer to shop from online. I mean, I
online
prefer
shopping.
online shopping only. Yeah,
Yeah.
I
But
don't
you
go to
see,
shop.
we also do window shopping while doing the online shopping. We do the window shopping kind of thing there
No,
also.
no, that also takes your time, right? That's also takes your time. Window shopping also takes your time because you are looking at the things and you're not buying anything. But whenever I visit the online sites for shopping,
Okay.
my intention is that I have to buy this thing and I have to just choose one and just buy it. I mean, it should be a quick process. I shouldn't spend a lot of time there. So for me, that is the intention always.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
So the next is bargain hunting. Okay, bargain hunting. So it means this is the act of shopping the items that are sold at a lower price or a cheaper price, maybe especially a discounted price. Okay, that is bargain hunting. So if we say something, so bargain hunting means is the act of shopping for items which are sold at lower price or cheaper price. Okay, especially at discounted price. That is called the bargain hunting. And if we call a person as a bargain hunter, then we would say that he or she actually prefers to buy something at a lower price.
I could guess it from the meaning, the way you explained. Bargain hunt mean hunting. Hunting mean finding out the price, the lowest price for
Hmm.
something you want to buy.
Right,
And
right,
when we
right.
say shop around, it is almost similar kind of thing, that you shop around to go to different stores to find out that where do you find the minimum price. So I think these are to some extent related kind of terms, I feel.
Related. Yeah, you can say. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Then
the example. Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Example,
then
right?
my word is splash out, right?
Okay. But
So flash,
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
you want to
Flash
say
out.
something? You want to give more explanation for your word?
No, no, I did not mention the. I mean, I did not say the example. So the
Okay,
example
you
that
can.
I have is, I prefer. Yeah,
Yeah.
I prefer to go bargain hunting when it comes to buying my clothes.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Right. Okay,
yeah.
okay. Splash out is, this is my word. Splash out mean that spending excessively. Like
Hmm.
once in a year when we are like on my wedding anniversary or our wedding anniversary, my husband splashes out to buy me some expensive gift.
Wow, how lucky you are. That's amazing. Okay, that's great. So it's my word is good deal or a good deal. So good deal we can use at in many different contexts. But here I would just mention two meanings of it. One is a large amount. You can say a large amount when you want to say a large amount. Then you also then in that context also you can use a good deal. Or if you are saying that something is a good deal, that means it paid a lower price.
Hmm.
Okay, that is also a good deal. So the example that I have is the this product has excited a good deal of media interest. That is when you are saying a large amount. Okay, means it excited a good deal of media interest, means it kept actually a good amount of media interest.
Media attention, you mean?
Attention. Yes, yes, attention.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. And when you are saying that it paid a lower price, you can say that yeah, it was a very good deal, that it actually it costs you a lower amount, right?
Good deal.
Yes.
What good deal? You mean on festivals? Normally, we do lots of purchases during festivals because at that time we used to find good deals.
Lot of what you said.
Good deal. We find good deals. We do
Hmm.
lots of purchases during the festive seasons.
The
Festive
sales
season.
you are talking about in the festive season, uh, they just buy it in a lower price. Are you saying that? No, I did not get.
I want to use this word good deal in that context also. That during festive seasons, whatever you want
Hmm.
to purchase, we used to prefer to buy during the festive seasons because during those days we find good deals for the for that particular product or any product we want to buy.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yes, absolutely right.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to my mind today.
Somewhat similar to this because these are all shopping related, then of course they are somehow connected with each other or they're related to each other. Very common we use what a bargain. We
Hmm.
use it a number of times. What a bargain. So,
What a
like
bargain.
suppose, again we can quote the example of the festive season. Like I want to purchase something for related to my kitchen stuff. and which
Hmm.
cost me otherwise 8,000 bucks or 10,000, whatever be. But during the festive season, everything is put on sale, and you buy the similar thing. Like suppose I'm narrating you, Aparna, I was to buy this item for my kitchen, and it cost 10,000. But yesterday I went to the market and everything was put on sale, and I could buy it in 5,000. And you would say, "Oh, what a bargain!"
Not a bargain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was nice explanation.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
So something very
Okay,
expensive which you could buy at a cheaper rate.
cheaper rate. Right.
Then the person on the other side would say, "Oh, what a bargain!"
What a bargain. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so my word is detail therapy. Retail therapy means the practice of shopping in means in order to make oneself feel better or feel cheerful. That is the retail therapy. As the name says, that it's a therapy.
Yeah, it is a treatment
Does
sort of
this
thing.
just yeah. So the example that I have is that my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law actually prefers to go for a retail therapy whenever she feels
Low. It is
not
low.
good. Yeah, low, right? Yes,
Yeah, some people are in habit of eating, munching so much whenever they are under some stress.
feeling.
Yeah.
Yes.
So similar kind of thing, like
Maybe
this retail.
I am someone like that.
Okay.
I don't know. Whenever I don't feel that good, I just feel like having so much food. I don't know what happens with me, and I'm like whenever some people are under stress or they're in tension, they should not even think about food. But
They
I'm
stop
thinking
eating.
about yeah, and I'm like I think much about food at that times when I'm tensed or I'm stressed out. I don't know what. Yeah.
Okay. There is one more word. I came across this word recently. Actually, maybe that in countries like India, we don't come across. That is garage sale or yard sale. When I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
searching about the words, only then we encountered with this word.
Hmm.
But we have heard of it. We have heard of it that in the foreign countries, in the developed nations, in the Western countries, the people after few years they put everything of their household on sale because they want
Yeah.
to buy something new, something latest one.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is sort of yard sale or garage sale because in foreign countries they display everything normally in their garages. So I think that's why it is called as the garage sale. So
Garage
people,
sale.
those who want to buy it, they can bargain it there. Otherwise, there is no much choice of doing bargain. But
Hmm.
during this garage sale, you get the opportunity to bargain a lot because they are at that time sold at a throwaway prices. So that
Hmm.
is a garage sale. So people then go for this kind of hunting and they do so much of purchases during that sale.
Okay. Great. So my word is outlet mall. Okay.
Mm.
So outlet mall is a large group of shops which all sells goods or products etc. And it's under a large company. Especially they do
Mm.
it to sell it in a marginal price or something
Yeah,
like that.
yes.
So they do it. So you can say a large group of shops together, that is called outlet mall. So in few years the outlets mall have sprung over all over the world. Don't you think so?
Uh, yeah, we can say in big cities you
Yeah,
can
in big cities.
yeah, you would find so many outlet malls where you can do the purchasing at a reduced rate.
Yeah,
That kind of thing, I could guess.
right, right. So that is the outlet mall. Now it's your turn.
Now, last word. coming from my side,
Yes.
that is frugal. Actually, it is not related to shopping only. It can be used anywhere, anywhere, right?
Hmm.
Frugal is that you spend becoming the way like some economically wise person should do. Like I can make you understand by giving my example that in my family, my children use this word for me that mom is frugal because I
That
will
is good.
count, yeah, 10 times before I zero in on any product, especially for me if I have to buy something for me, especially in that very particular
Oh,
case.
for yourself, you're frugal.
Yeah,
Yeah, that is
maybe
always good
because
actually.
I'm a
Yeah.
mom and for mom children they uh, get the priority somehow. It's a mom kind of
Yeah,
thing.
generally moms are frugal. My mom
Yeah,
also frugal for
generally
herself.
moms are frugal. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the moral. Actually, this is the
Yes, yes.
conclusion. I think generally all the moms are frugal when it comes
All the
to
moms.
their kind of stuff.
Herself.
When they have to buy
Yeah.
something related to them only.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that way, I think we could revise a good number of words like
Yeah.
shopping around and shopping spree and frugal or splash out, then shop around, then what
Yeah.
was the
What
outlet
is
mall? Your
then
word
yours one
was,
was
then
yard
window
yard sale.
shops. Yeah,
Yard sale. Yard sale, right? Garage sale. What was that?
garage sale.
Garage
Yeah,
sale.
garage
Yes, yes.
sale or yard sale, yard sale.
Yard sale.
Yard,
Yeah.
it is backyard. People display their
Backyard.
items at the back because they have this kind of infrastructure that every house is having a backyard. So
Yes.
they display their stuff which they want to put on sale in the backyard. So I could make out that's why it is called as yard sale, or they display it in the garage. That's why it is called as a garage sale also,
Garage sale.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
and then that's very interesting retail therapy.
Retail therapy. Yeah. People can
So
actually use it
yes,
sometimes.
at
If
least
they
now,
can splash out. If they
yeah,
can splash out.
yes,
And because you have to splash out if you want to go for retail therapy, obviously.
yeah, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So
Okay.
it was a nice
Yeah,
conversation, Aparna.
yes.
And
All the
let's
time when
just
I talk to you, honestly speaking, all the time I talk to you, I feel really good. There's some good vibes that is coming
okay.
unto me, you know? Yeah. So
And
it's
I also
amazing to
feel
talk
very
to you.
good the moment I talked to you for the first time. At that very moment even when I didn't see you, before seeing you, when a
Hmm.
couple of months back you sent me a mail that you
Yeah.
want to have sessions with me, but you have something in your mind that you want to come up with some scripted kind of
Different.
format so that
Hmm.
it should prove fruitful for the viewers. At
Yeah.
that very moment when we haven't chatted with each other, I got inspired by you, frankly speaking.
Thank
So
you.
I'm happy to have sessions with you, and I want to go miles on this
Yes,
journey
yes,
along with you.
yes, yes. For sure, for sure. I same here from my side as well. Thank you
Okay,
so
thank
much.
you, Aparna. Thank you,
Yeah,
dear.
thank you, ma'am. Yeah,
See you
thank
in the
you.
next
Thank you.
session, and good night.
Good
Bye bye.
night.